welcome to Novira Designs. Oof. Oh my god, I cannot believe I am saying this. But this is it. Day 7 of 7 days 7 crafts from pipe cleaner. 7 days ago, I sat with a bunch of colorful pipe cleaners and challenged myself to make something different every single day. And today, day 7. I saved the biggest and most beautiful time consuming craft for last, and that is pipe cleaner wall hanging. So, are you guys ready? Let's do it. I take a thread which have pearls all over and I added that thread to the ring. I started covering the ring with the help of green pipe cleaner. Now let's make a daisy flowers. Using the light pink pipe cleaners for petals. 6 to 8 petals per flower arranged in the circle. With a hot pink with a hot pink and yellow pipe cleaner coil in the center. I glued everything one by one to the center. I made two different types of flowers. One is white with yellow center and another one is light pink flower with dark pink center. Now I attach all to the wall hanging. I added flowers to the thread. I take hot pink pipe cleaner and I shape them into a zigzag pattern, bending them back and forth, creating that beautiful mountain peak shape. I connect multiple pink pipe cleaner together to make it big enough. This zigzag triangle is what makes this wall hanging so unique and eye-catching. Now I started attaching the flowers, hearts and leaves to each string. I tie them at different heights on each string. Some flowers higher, some flowers lower. This creates beautiful cascading strings of decoration. Each string has a different combination. I attached the pink and blue pipe cleaners to the ring and I added a pearl which looks so rich and full when it hangs. It's almost done. Here is the final result. So that's it for day 7 of 7 days 7 crafts from Just a Pipe Cleaner challenge. 7 days, 7 crafts, 7 different things, all from Just a Pipe Cleaner. When I started this challenge, I just have a bunch of colorful pipe cleaners, and today I made everything from Just a Pipe Cleaner. From a keychain, leaves, flowers to the wall hanging. All because of you. Thank you so much each and everyone who watched my videos every single day. Your support means me more. And if you are watching from day 1, comment day 1 to day 7 below. I would love to know how many people are there with me throughout the whole journey. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.